Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is your brother Ahsan Hanif, and inshallah ta'ala, this year our annual winter conference will take place from the 22nd to the 25th of December, bidhnillah ta'ala. We have a confirmed lineup of speakers, inshallah ta'ala, that will come and attend from Saudi Arabia and Kuwait. Many of these are scholars that you're familiar with, who have come to previous conferences, and we've benefited from their knowledge. May Allah Azza wa Jal preserve them and bless them. And we have a number of great works, inshallah ta'ala, that we will cover with our teachers and our shuyukh, including books on usul al-fiqh and qawaid al-fiqhiyya, books of hadith that concern aqidah and the belief of a Muslim, books on adab and akhlaq, the character of a Muslim and the etiquettes that they should have. And we're also going to have, inshallah ta'ala, special sessions in only Arabic for the first time that will be more advanced in aqidah with one of our teachers, in which we will go through one of the major works of Ibn Taymiyyah rahimahullah ta'ala that is more advanced for more advanced students that speak the Arabic language. That won't be a translated session, so that we can cover a book that is inshallah bigger and more detailed. So all of this, inshallah ta'ala, we have to offer in this conference. I hope that inshallah you, your families, your children will be able to join us over that weekend, that inshallah ta'ala we can benefit from the knowledge of these scholars and come closer to Allah Azza wa Jal through seeking knowledge and through worship.